story about this song, the title of the song is Making Love with You, Open Goes for the Face Back at First Sight. It's America and you really read it. Okay, the story of this song is a guy went to 7-Eleven hoping to find a sex mate and a girlfriend, and he read this newspaper, this buy and sell. He's pretending he's reading it. Then when the girls, a lot of women went by, he just noticed his newspaper is more like downwards, really downwards. Then he remembered, he thought that he can hardly believe that situation, for he thinks that it only happens in movies, in television stories, makeup stories. Even though it happens a lot of times. So when it's the after those lot of beautiful girls, one or two, then another one came solo. Then he looked at her. She got her. She got him looking at him. They kinda envy mutual understanding, type of something inside. So then afterwards they got close, and the guy asked the girl where she from, and the girl replied, she's far from this place that 7-Eleven. That's her problem, and she have a problem. The guy replied that, I got a place near here at 7-Eleven, just one right away. You can sleep there and have a rest. Then in the morning you can go home. The guy was so nice, so the woman trusted him. The thing is, when they took breakfast inside the house, the man knows that she just broke up with her boyfriend, ex-boyfriend. And the guy is just broke out with his ex-living partner. So in that first setting, in that kind of first meeting, they do it. Yes, they make love. They make love. Sex. Europe, America. So she became his girlfriend, and they do it a lot of times, again and again and again and again. And it's a good story. Okay, here is the song. I smell, I sparks, I shines, I smell something in between. Now you come and find me closer, deeper. One friend, why I'm so lovely. Fragrance of your heart all over me, lifting our songs to heaven, making with you. Fragrance of your heart all over me, lifting our songs to heaven. Fragrance of your heart all over me, lifting up my soul to heaven. Fragrance of your heart all over me, lifting up my soul to heaven. I'm making real with you, I'm making real with you. Fragrance of your heart all over me. This song is for only exclusively for all beautiful girls around the world. I'm Al Antonio Pareño, singer, composer, lyricist, arranger. I composed this song. Is this song my personal experience or someone? Secret. Okay. I'm here in General Mariano, living here in General Mariano, but it's completely here in the LSS Black City 21, Manila, Philippines. From Manila, you can ride Malabang, you can ride Jimmy area, you can has the driver to stop at K-Way building or counselor in Pante, and you ask for my mother's name, Joseph Parani. We have a boarding house, you can do some adventure there, you can board very affordable apartment with available for 3 to 7 teams with pleasing personality. Bye guys, love you guys.